She's a dripper. That's a Price Fister. I gotta find out which one it is. And take this thing apart and maybe have to get another cartridge for it. I'll have to take this apart here. Okay, that should come out. Fly City here. We'll shut one off at a time and we'll see which one is an issue. The thing's dripping pretty bad. Man, the thing is, if I ever gotta change this faucet, I don't know how the hell am I even gonna get in there to change it. I think that's the one because it seems to be slowing down. Nope. I don't know if I can even get in here to change this sucker. If I had to. No, it's gotta be the cold side. It's gotta be this side, that's a problem. Cold. Yeah, it's the cold side. That's the problem, but let's see if we get it apart and see what kind of. I don't think I have that in the truck, that cartridge. I know I don't have that one in the truck, but let's take it apart and look at it. I might be able to get one. Maybe I could order one online or something if I know what one it is. If it's even doable, right? Well, see if that's a Japanese size. I can even get it off. No, I don't have to change the whole sink, but change the whole faucet. I'd rather not. Ooh, what the hell kind is that sucker? If I could see what it looks like, maybe get one. Maybe get a cartridge for it. Whoa, she's loose as a goose, Mama. That's probably why it's flipping things loose, guy. That's the problem right there. Flipping things loose as a goose, Mama. Oh, yeah, no wonder why she's dripping. I bet you that's going to take care of it right there. Look how loose that thing was. Wow. It was flipping nuts, wasn't it? Yeah, it was nuts. It was flipping nuts, Mama. I bet you that's going to do it right there. Let's see. Let's flip it. I bet you that does it. What do you think? I bet you. Let's see. Let's turn the water back on and see if it drips. Also, that would be an easy fix. That was it. Just loose as a goose, Mama. Loose as a goose. I'm gonna tighten that packing down below, but that's all it was. It's just loose as a goose, that's all. That's an easy fix. She's loose as a goose, Mama. Yeah, she was. See if I can tighten that thing up and should be good to go. There we go. That's all it was. Should probably check the other one while I'm here, right? Let me check this one while I'm here. If I can. The other one was loose, so why wouldn't this one be loose? She's loose as a goose, man. Flipping loose as a goose. This one's not bad. No big deal. That's why I make the big bucks. Right? That's why I make the big bucks. Huh? It's like that little. We'll turn the water back on to both of them, and we'll make sure the packing's tight, and we're good to go. We just gotta make sure that both of them valves are open. I usually open them all the way and then turn them back just a hair. And then I gotta make sure that packing nut's dripping on there. Can you see it? The flipping packing nut's dripping. Son of a bitch. Is it? Oh, is it the valve? The valve's they're not leaking anymore. It should be okay now. I don't see it dripping. I tightened up them hoses and stuff. Make sure them hoses were tight and the packings are tight. I don't want any leakers. We didn't have any flipping leakers. Something's crawling around back there and bugs and whatnot. Alright, leave them alone. Ain't dripping no more. That's good. It was just loose. Just loose as a goose, that's all. Put this back together. So get a couple of screws loose now. Well, easy. Easy. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Yep.